The story started many years ago.
What happened?
I brought this for you. Don't worry, we'll find your family. Just eat and rest.
Good morning!
You're here again? Daddy, we're home! Buddy, I missed you so much! Hi, boy! We have presents for you.
Oh, that's so sad.
You're here again today. I brought this for you. Don't worry, we'll find your family. Just eat and rest.
That's it. Good boy.
Who are you waiting for? If you saw this dog every day, what would you do? Write your answer in the comments.
You've been here for a long time, haven't you? Do you know that dog? Do you know that dog? Everyone knows him.
He's been waiting there for years. Years?
Why would he wait that long? I think something happened.
I want to help you.
Mr. Harris, do you know that dog at the bus stop?
Buddy?
Oh, yes. Everyone knows Buddy.
The story started many years ago.
What happened?
That's Buddy.
Oh no!
Now you're starting to understand. That man was Buddy's best friend.
They looked so happy.
Come on, Buddy. I'll be back soon, Buddy.
The bus driver passed away many years ago.
And Buddy is still waiting.
Emma, what's wrong?
Buddy is still waiting for someone who will never come back.
That poor dog.
He must feel so alone. I have an idea, Buddy. We can help him. Nobody should be alone. You don't have to wait alone anymore.
We can help Buddy together. Of course we can.
We love you, Buddy.
He remembers.
Buddy will always be part of this town.
Buddy? Buddy, where are you?
can't find him. Keep looking. You found him.
Are you ready to come home? Comment below before the emotional finale. Welcome home, buddy. I think he likes it here. Cute. I think so too. Good boy, buddy. Good night, buddy.
Hi, friends! Please like and subscribe to Emma Easy English for more fun stories. Thank you, friends. Bye.